Usually when you think about crochet, you picture curling up by a fire in December.
Right, under a massive heavy blanket.
Exactly.
I mean, it is the ultimate winter survival craft. It's built for insulation.
Which is exactly why I was completely thrown when I saw our source for today. So, welcome to the Crafting Made Simple podcast, everyone. We are unpacking a fantastic blog post by Na Ardua from Paperflow Designs.
Yeah, and it is all about breezing through summer with crochet.
Right. And before we really get into how that is even physically possible, take a quick second to hit the link in the description to sign up for the Crafting Made Simple newsletter.
Yes, definitely do that. So Na Ardua kicks things off with these wardrobe projects.
Oh, the earthy toned striped shorts.
Yep, and this incredibly vibrant orange and pink swimsuit cover-up set.
With the wide leg pants and the bikini top. Yeah. And they look amazing, but I'm looking at this and thinking, isn't wearing yarn to the beach in July basically like wearing a winter wool sweater in a sauna?
Well, I mean, you'd think you'd just melt.
Right, you would.
But the design actively solves that temperature problem through pure garment engineering. You aren't just dragging winter techniques to the beach.
Okay, so how does it work then?
Well, the source specifies lightweight cotton yarn instead of, heavy wool or acrylic.
I mean, cotton is definitely cooler, sure. But you are still packing yarn tightly together to make clothing.
See, that is where the architecture completely changes the fabric's function. The cover-up pants use an airy granny stitch to create natural ventilation.
Oh, okay.
And those striped shorts, they utilize a back loop single crochet.
Wait, so by only hooking the back loop, are you forcing the fabric to fold in on itself, like to create a ribbing?
Exactly. You are creating this accordion-like texture
Oh, wow.
that gives the waistband serious stretch and breathability without needing a heavy, solid block of fabric.
So you are essentially crocheting air into the garment.
Pretty much, yeah. And that exact same airy architecture solves problems for outdoor gear, too.
Like the on-the-go accessories she mentions.
Right, now Ardua highlights functional stuff, like a neutral market tote and a water bottle holder.
Which are perfect for carrying produce at the farmer's market or, dragging a heavy flask up a hiking trail.
Totally. They rely on a breathable mesh stitch. Instead of building a solid brick wall of yarn, you combine chain spaces and double crochets to leave strategic gaps.
Oh, it's almost like a chain link fence.
Yes, that is a great way to put it. You get the structural integrity to hold that heavy water bottle, but mostly you're just carrying air.
So it's getting the whole summer aesthetic without the sweat.
Exactly. And even the smaller home decor projects in the post lean heavily into this form meets function idea.
Yeah, the quick wins. She talks about this vibrant granny square picnic blanket and those little amigurumi style keychains.
Yeah, but my absolute favorites are these quirky fruit-themed canned cozies.
Oh, the ones shaped like strawberries and pineapples.
Yes, they use worsted weight cotton, which is brilliant.
Why is that brilliant?
Because it actively absorbs the condensation from a freezing cold drink. Plus, the pattern uses specific texture stitches that mimic the physical seeds and leaves of the fruit.
Oh, to add extra grip.
Exactly.
So it's protecting your hands from freezing while looking like a tiny tropical fruit. I love that so much.
It's super clever. If you want to try engineering any of these pieces yourself, there is a link to the supplies in the podcast notes.
Or you can just head directly over to the blog at paperflowdesigns.com.
They really are worth exploring, whether you've been crafting for years or just picked up your first hook.
For sure. And hey, make sure to sign up for that Crafting Made Simple newsletter by clicking the link in the description. So we started this thinking about suffocating in a wool sweater in a sauna.
A very vivid, very sticky image.
Right, super sticky. But now that you know how a simple change in fiber and stitch density can make crochet completely summer-friendly, it really makes you wonder.
What or what?
Well, what other traditionally heavy crafts or winter accessories could you completely reinvent for the summer heat?